Here. You sing, okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Go away, scary monster. Scary monster, go away.
Go away, scary monster, go away, scary monster, go away.
Go away, go away. Go away, spooky vampire, go away. Go away, spooky vampire, go away. Go away, spooky vampire, go away. Spooky vampire, go away. Spooky vampire, go away. Go away, scary witch, go away. Go away, scary witch, go away. Go away, scary witch, go away. Scary witch, go away. Scary witch.
How to stop? Okay, that's how this, Reno. Go away. Do you have a monster? Do you remember my friend, Reno? This is my friend. Hello. Ooh, what's that? Do you know this animal? Hello, Reno. It's a cow. Cow. How are you? Ching, ching, ching. Well, he will sleep now. You say goodbye, Reno. Goodbye. Okay. So let's go to this one, Reno. I think you forgot this. What's the first picture here? Look, what's that?
Chair.
Do you know? Chair. Very good. How about this? How about this one?
Table.
Table, yes, or table or desk. Can you say desk? Desk. Yes. Reno, can you hear me? Next, what's this, Reno? Door. Door.
Door.
Yeah, door. Next is, how about that? Window. Yes. How about this?
Bed.
Bed. Okay, let's repeat. Reno, follow after me. Chair. Go. I cannot hear you. Dun, 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 dun. Chair. Sofa. Desk. Door. Window and bed. Okay. Yeah. So look, how many doors are there, Reno? How many? Can you count the door? What? Do you know how to count? Let's count, Reno. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, it's at 4. Door, Reno, door. Look, this is one door, one door. How about the table, Reno? How many table are there? 1. Okay. What's this? 3. 3 desks. 3 desks. Let's have this. Oh, there's a meow meow. 1 cat. 1 cat. And this one, what's this? 1 chair. And 3. No, there should be S with S. Bananas. 3 bananas. 3 bananas. Let me turn off yours. Okay, again, Reno. 3. No, 3. No, you cannot. No, no, no. You cannot write, Reno. Go. 3 bananas.
3 bananas.
Yeah, with S. Look at the S here. Bananas. 1 chair. No S. Okay, Reno? Let's try it again. Oh, what is this, Reno? What's that? What is that? Knock, knock, knock. Door. Very good. Yeah, it's a door. How about this one? Is this Reno? Are you this one? Vampire. So this is his door. So can you read this, Reno? It's a door. It's a door. Go.
It's a door.
Wow, very good. One more time. It's a door.
It's a door.
Yes. Just like that. It's a door. Next. What is this? What's that?
Window.
Window. Now you say it's a window. So it's
Oh.
yes. One more time. Louder. It's a window. No.
It's a window.
What window? Window.
Window.
Yeah, it's a window. Go. It's
It's a window.
window. Okay, very good. It's a window. How about this? Do you know this one, Reno? Here. Oh, it's like that. Okay, next. Let's have this. Oh, what's this? Where do we sleep? It's a bed.
Bed.
Yeah. So what is this, Reno? What's this? This one. What's this? It's a
It's
a what? A bed.
bed.
It's a bed.
A bed.
All right. Very good. Next. Oh, what's this? What's that? Arm. Is it? Do you know that fruit? Do you know that fruit like this? Apple. So you will say it's an apple. Go. It's
It's a-
an
apple.
yeah, it's an apple. It's an apple. Okay, Reno, let's have some activity. So can you draw an apple here? Do you know how to draw an apple? Apple. White's pink. Yeah, apple. Oh, why you erase mine? Okay, is this ice? Like that? Okay. Yeah. That's your apple. Do you know the song, Reno? I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Okay. Oh, that's your apple. I like to eat. Okay, next. Are you done with your apple? Ah, sorry, I erased it. Okay, Reno. So let's go to our class. Oh, it's a happy apple. Is it a happy apple?
No happy.
Not happy. What's that? Sad apple? Or angry? Angry apple like this?
No.
Like that? Angry. Okay. Are you done? Why did you erase? Okay. Yes. So let's have this, Rena. Hmm?
Yeah.
Go away, spooky man, and go away. Okay, here. Oh, what's that? What is the first picture, Rena? What's the first picture? What's that? Woof woof.
Dog.
Yeah. So you
Dog.
read. Yes, very good. You read the first one. It's a dog.
It's a dog.
How about this? What fruit is this? Do you know that? Oh, good job. Orange. So you say it's an
It's a red.
an. It's an orange. Okay. One more time, Reno. It's an orange.
It's a orange.
All right. How about this? Oh, I have like that. Ta-da! For Reno. What's this? Star. Why you need to shout? Star. It's a star. Go. It's a
Star.
yes. And last one. What is this? Hey, hey. What's this? Do you know this? Elephant. Elephant. It's
Elephant.
yeah. You say it's an
It's a elephant.
okay. Very good. It's an elephant. So let's repeat the words, Rina. Okay. Let's have the first. Okay. Fantastic. Let's have the first one. It's a dog. Go. It's a dog.
It's a dog.
Yes. It's an orange.
It's a
An.
star.
It's a star. Okay, next. It's an elephant.
Elephant.
Yeah, it's an elephant. Okay, so now you answer me it's okay, Rino. What is this?
Chair.
It's a chair.
It's a chair.
Yeah, what is this?
Bed.
No, no, no. It's a sofa. It's a sofa.
So
Sofa.
it's
It's a
sofa.
yeah, it's a sofa. How about this? What's this? This one. It's a desk.
A bed.
All right, it's a desk. Let me erase those. This one, Reno, what's this? It's an
It's a
what's that? Do you know this? It's yummy.
egg.
Egg. So you will say an. It's an egg. It's an egg.
Egg.
Yes,
a
it's an egg. Okay, so let's move on. But before that, let's repeat. It's a chair.
It's a chair.
It's an egg.
Egg. It's a
Desk.
desk.
It's a sofa.
It's a sofa.
All right, so let's go to E sound. B. B. Show me your hands. Where are your hands, Reno? B. 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 B.
B C B.
Yeah. Feet.
B.
Feet. Feet. Feet.
B. B.
Where's your feet? Where's your feet, Reno? Oh, you're wearing black socks. Next, we have sheep. Go. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep.
Sip. 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 Sip.
Yeah. Need. Need. Need.
Need. Need. Need.
And see. See. See.
See. See. See.
Okay, good job. So that's all. We have reviewed the sentence. What is this? It's a chair. Don't forget this, okay, Reno? It's a.
It's a
Yeah. Let's sing this song again. Can you sing this song, Reno? You sing, okay? Sing, sing. Monster way. Also, I think we are done. Do you have a question, Reno? Okay, so I think that's all, Reno. I will see you if I see you next week. So you say, do you know handshake, Reno? High five, high five. Yes, high five. Okay. Bye, Reno. Take care of yourself. Yeah, also your mom. Bye bye. Yeah, you take care. Okay.